channel. Today I have brought some new worksheets with another sound D. So let's start with the first worksheet. Which picture is this? Duck. Duck. Okay. Which sound is this? D. D. Let's start writing. Let's start with the big dot. Make a curvy curve. Go up and up. Come down and down. D. Again start with the big dot. Make a curvy curve. Go up and up. Come down and down. D. D. Duck. D. Duck. After writing this, we start color in it. D. Duck. Now, let's move to the another worksheet. Now, trace and color. Trace and color. Which vocabulary is this? Drum. Drum. D. Drum. Now, what is this? D. Let's start writing. Now start with the big dot. Join all the dots. Make a curvy curve. Go up and up. Come down and down. D. Again start with the big dot. Make a curvy curve. Go up and up. Come down and down. D. D. Drum. D. Drum. Now, I like to color in drum. Now, let's start with the another worksheet. Match the sound with the picture. Okay, which sound is this? D. D. So, let's start writing D. Make a curvy curve. Go up and up. Come down and down. D. Okay, now which picture is this? Doll. What is the beginning sound of doll? D. Okay, let's start. Match together. D. Doll. D. Doll. Okay, now which picture is this? Dice. I like to play with this dice. Would you like to play? What is the beginning sound of dice? D. Okay, so match dice with D. D. Dice. Which picture is this? Cone. Okay, is cone begins with D? No, so I will not match cone with D. Okay, now move to the another vocabulary. Which picture is this? Axe. Axe. What is the beginning sound of axe? A. Okay, is axe begins with D? No, so we are not supposed to match. Okay, which picture is this? Bottle. Bottle. Is bottle begins with B? No, so we are not going to match. Right? Which picture is this? Door. Door. Is door begins with D? Yes, D. Door. Okay, so let's start. Match D with this door. After completing this worksheet, give children to color all the pictures. Alright, now let's move to the another worksheet. Identify and write the beginning sound. In this worksheet, what we are going to do is We identify the pictures here and then write the beginning sound of that picture. Alright? So let's start with the first picture. Which picture is this? Butterfly. Butterfly. Okay. What is the beginning sound of butterfly? B. Alright, let's start B here. Go down and down, then go up and turn around. B. B. Butterfly. Okay. Which picture is this? Ant. What is the beginning sound of ant? A. Okay. Let's write A here. Make a curvy curl. Go up. Come down. Make a curvy curl. Go up. Come down. A. Ant. Which picture is this? Remember? Cup. What is the beginning sound of cup? K. Okay, let's write K here. Make a curvy K. K. Cup. Now last picture. Which picture is this? Dice. What is the beginning sound of dice? D. Okay, let's write D. Make a curvy curl. Go up and up. Come down and down. D. D. Dice. D. Dice. Okay. Hope you like my video. You can get link of my previous videos from the description below as well as my Facebook page link. Subscribe my channel to get more new interesting videos. We will meet again with some new worksheets. Goodbye.